Hello, respectable audience. 3 times 3 equals 9. Divided by 3 times 3 equals 9. Now 9 divided by 9 gives us 1. 1 is okay. It is not okay. It is wrong because we have multiplication and division. First of all, we have to solve this multiplication, then this one, and finally this multiplication because we have to move from left to right. By moving from left to right, we have multiplication, then division, then multiplication. So multiplication will be preferred, which will be equal to 9 divided by 3 times 3. Now again, by moving from left to right, we have division at left, so it will be handled first. We will get 3 times 3. Now it will be our final step, and we will have 9 after multiplication, which is our correct answer for this question. Thank you.